Here at the Dental Implant Center of Royal Oak, we pride ourselves on innovation and technology. What we do is we have a device called a face hunter, which is basically an analyzer, or it photographs you from several different angles all across your face, smiling, frowning. And what we're able to do is digitally record your face and start your procedures on a digital track where we can show you future treatments of what your smile can look like. And from there, we start to build the treatment depending on what the patient wants. We invest a lot of time with our patients deciding on types of smiles, colors, shades, to make sure that what we provide them is exactly to meet their expectations. In our lab, we feature several pieces of technology, from a Acorzan milling unit to a 3D printer, to sintering and porcelain ovens. We are a full service laboratory. We are able to meet all of our patients' expectations. And the beauty of having this laboratory of technology is bring patients in and in one visit transition them from either a denture or teeth that they do not like to a new permanent smile all in one day, utilizing all of our scanning and milling technologies. Whatever your dental problems may be, we have the expertise and the technology to deliver the best possible outcome for you.